business that you can actually start today, right now, even at your desk, at work, wherever, when you get home from work or whatever. But just drop everything and just start this today. All right, so the business that you can start today is easy as pie. I suggest that everyone starts this business before getting into any other business, and everyone has access to this business. And this business that I'm speaking of is the business of retail. Yes, retail. Even if you're like, I don't want to get into retail, that's not me. That's not what I want to do. I want to do something else. I strongly suggest you do this business first before even going into any other industry. And the reason I say this is because you can do this literally today with no money. So this is the business, your closet. That's right, your closet. Your closet is the business. So just like I have on this nice little, dress top, whatever right now. All right, well, after this video, I can go and post it for sale, and someone's gonna buy it. And guess what? Now I'm in business. And it's simple as that. Because before you go spending all this money to get into business, to structure an LLC, to start paying taxes, to start paying for downloads and all this whole extra stuff to start learning about business, get into business the easy way, which is go into your closet, go into your garage, go into wherever where you hold a lot of stuff that you don't mind getting rid of, and sell it. See how good of a salesperson you are, because you do have to be a salesperson to some extent when it comes to being a boss. You have to know how to market, you have to know how to present things, you need to know how to package, ship, all of that stuff. And why not start with things that you already have, which is clothes, merchandise, accessories, whatever that you may have that you don't need anymore, you're not utilizing it. So this is the best place to start, is your closet. So I'm gonna put closet. Now, what are some resources? Some resources are, you can use Craigslist, you can use Facebook Marketplace, you can use OfferUp. I use that all the time. Well, my husband and my kids use that all the time. OfferUp. So many places, all your social media places, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. So this is your assignment today. Start your business in retail. You're going to open up your closet, open up your garage, find a few items that you don't need or want anymore and you can part from, and start a business today. I'll be checking in with you a little later.